Hi, today we're gonna create Appelmoeshajpe part 1. Okay, so here's the page that when you go to the resource project, you could give it a remix there, and then you can do it like this. When green flag click it, we can encode. So make a new block code. Actually, I will do it in another spread. Yeah. So the font is for the name, and the name is capital, but we don't have capital letters in the question, so we could turn it into, lowercase letters. Yeah, we could turn it into lowercase by doing a write with a numeric input of val and a text label of to encode it. Run without screen refresh. Okay, so we're gonna pop in a write username to encode it. So we'll set the letter hash to 1, and then we're gonna repeat the length of val so we could encode all letters, and we're gonna set encoded, which is the variable that we're encoding, to the join encoded with the item hash of letter hash of val encode, and we're going to change letter hash by 1, and then let's give that a quick test. So my name is like this, or we could test it not with username, but let's try bad, because that's at the beginning. All the letters is at the beginning of the alphabet, but not really. Okay, let's click on that block to run it. Okay, why is it not working? You know why? I already select the code. Let's see the code. Oh, it's empty. So I put a resource with an empty code. Okay, sorry. So enter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. When you finish, you should have 36 rows. That's a lot. And then enter the numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then enter the symbols. We got plus, an equal, a hash, a minus, an underscore, a forward slash, and a backslash. And then now, actually we need to set encoded to the empty value, and then if you done the right thing, it should look like this. So we could do that for the username. and then hold on to. Let me just build the script that will help us to make it lowercase. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so we got a script that is value equals read from encoded, because it is the value over here. I'm gonna set value, which is the value, and then we set IDX to join like that. Hold on, let me just explain this script first. So we set letter hash to 1, and we repeat the length of val, so that that will encode all the letter that is in the val numeric input. So we will join the encoded with the item letter hash. So if it is set to 1 and it is scanning the letter H, that will be row 18. So if we press the green flag, it will start with row 18. And we change letter hash by 1, so that will scan the next letter to be encoded. And yeah, that's just the whole thing. But we need another block for this block to work. Make a new block called begin decode of with the numeric input of encoded. Run without screen refresh, and okay. And we're gonna set encode that. Where's encode? There it is. To the encoded value. So all you need to do is just begin decode of the encoded variable. Once you've done that, we could write value value equals read from encoded. So the value, where's the value bar? And then press the green flag and it will scan and make it no capital anymore. Yeah, that's a trick, bro. So you could copy all this code. I can just clean up the blocks. Right. If you don't have cat blocks, I just added on Scratch add-in, so don't worry. And yeah, that's it. It's just a short episode. Bye.